Welcome to Diomac Label Designer. This is a quick guide to help get you started. When you launch the application, you will be prompted to either open an existing label design or create a new one. To create a new design, begin by selecting the print direction and label dimensions that match your printer and label media. Once configured, a blue rectangle will appear, representing the layout area of your label. On the left-hand side of the screen, you will find the available print objects that can be added to the label. The first option is a horizontal line. All print objects include sizing handles, allowing you to resize them as required. Objects can then be positioned using your mouse or adjusted more precisely with the keyboard arrow keys. The properties of the currently selected object are displayed on the right-hand side of the screen. The toolbar at the top of the screen includes standard copy and paste functions, allowing you to quickly duplicate existing objects. You can also add a vertical line and rectangular shapes to your label design. Objects can be moved to the front or back by right-clicking with your mouse. This helps you select the correct object. There's also a delete option here. Text objects are the most commonly used label element and offer a wide range of configuration options. To edit text, click directly on the displayed value or simply double-click the text object. Text objects can be linked to data sections when a section is assigned. The displayed text acts as a placeholder and will be replaced with live data from Diomac during printing. For example, you can assign the product description section to a text object. Assigned sections are displayed in blue and enclosed within curly brackets to distinguish them from static text. Saved images can also be added to a label. Like other objects, images can be resized and repositioned as required. Text objects can also be configured as section headers. Headers are descriptive text above the actual values coming from Diomac. For example, you could add the placeholder for Trace ID. If you make this a section header, you'll see an @ sign in front of it. When you use headers with a section, you can also change languages dynamically. This is set up within the Diomac application itself. A text object can be formatted to have a specific number of characters. You can also add a prefix or suffix after the placeholder. Sections for text objects can be formatted for the number of characters, decimal places, and with different date formats. You can also set the text to be multi-line. If you wish, you can put a border around the multi-line box. 1D barcodes work in a similar way to text objects. Sections can also be assigned to them. You can choose different barcode format types and add different sections. 2D barcodes can be added in the same way. You can choose different types and add different sections to them as well. The top line menu gives you the standard options: New, Open, and Save. Label designs are saved as DPML files. The label settings can be edited at any time. If you want to print preview the label, you can do that. Just remember, the placeholders won't show dynamic information in the preview. You can also print the label. I hope this is helpful and gets you started with your label design. If you require assistance, contact us by emailing support@diomac.com. Thank you for watching.